Hey y'all, my name is Janae Dion and I play Jada on the series Quarantini Chronicles. I am actually a real life bartender. And this week I just wanted to show y'all a quick tutorial on how we're making our Quarantini of the week. So the tools that you'll need, you actually need some sort of mixing tin or tool. Like I have these. You can also have the type that allows the little strain to come through, which you can see here. Or if you ain't got none of that, a spoon will do, and just mix that thing up. All right? Okay, as far as the measurements, I don't have a jigger with me here right now, but I do have a standard shot glass, which is gonna hold about 2 ounces. I'm gonna start with the vodka. I'm gonna do a full shot glass of that. Then for the Saint Germain, I'm gonna do about half. If you don't have that, you can substitute one of your favorite schnapps. I recommend maybe a peach. I don't know how an apple would taste, but hey, if you like apple, try it out, see how it goes. With the lemon juice, I'm also gonna do half. And then a full shot glass of the cranberry juice. So once you have all of your ingredients poured, go ahead and mix that. Just shake it, you know, do a little shimmy, do a little twerk, shake it out. And if you want to garnish to make it pretty, you certainly can. Right now I'm just using a regular peeler and my lemon twist. And there you have it. It's real good, y'all. I hope you enjoy it. Make sure you tune in next week to the next Quarantini Chronicles, and we will also have a new Quarantini of the week. See you next time.